Hello guys, have you ever found yourself in this kind of situation whereby you cannot be able to restore your computer back or your data back? Now, today I'm here to take you through on how you can avoid to get this blue screen. For one, you need to go back to our computer, click the Windows button, search CMD and run as administrator. As administrator, like the way I have done. Now here you write reagent C space info to check whether it is disabled, the Windows recovery status, whether it is disabled or enabled. To change here where there is disabled here to enabled, what do you need? You need to write ReAgentC slash enable. It will take like 10 seconds. It is done. Now the next thing you need to do is to check whether it is enabled or disabled. To do that, you write ReAgentC info, and here you get it is enabled. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe and also to share with a friend, and do not forget to enable your Windows recovery environment. Thank you.